Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the fully funded Ellison Scholarship Program. This is in the United Kingdom for PhD and DPhil, and you can apply for this scholarship until 1st of October 2025. So you have around 12 to 13 days left for this scholarship to apply. It's a scholars program for session 2026, and deadline will start. Deadline will end on the October 1st, and program will start in the October 2026 next year. So there's a 1 year of process involved in this, and the research areas which are listed here will show you them in a while. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe and do like our Instagram and do follow us there as well. All the scholarships are published here. You can see each and every scholarship is verified before publishing, and the link for this scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out our YouTube videos. Links are in the respective description of each of the videos, and once you click on the link in the video description, it will take you to our website here, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com, and you can check out all the information. So you can see host country is UK, and the institution that is offering this is Ellison Institute of Technology under the University of Oxford. Yesterday we had the Cambridge University scholarship. Today we have Oxford University scholarship from the same country, and this is for the DPhil and PhD. And the number of scholarships, it is limited, highly competitive, but you should try definitely. And research areas: computer science, AI, robotics, machine learning. So everything is there. Almost all domains are there. Even medicine is also there. What are the benefits of the scholarship? You can see full tuition fee coverage and annual stipend, travel and conferences, technology startup fund, setup fund will be there. So everything, visa sponsorship. Then eligibility criteria: you must be international applicant and meet Oxford entry requirements. So you can just check out entry requirements. Simple basic entry requirements are there at Oxford, but you should have the qualifications, the valid qualifications, academic qualifications should be there, and communication skills. Then selection criteria: so you should align with the EIT's mission and research goals, collaboration and teamwork capabilities, and ethical conduct and integrity should be there in your research. Then required documents: CV, passport, transcripts, English proficiency certificate, contact details of 3 referees, research proposal up to 1000 words, portfolio, and other supporting documents. If you have any awards or papers, you can submit them. Now you have to simply visit the Ellison Scholars Program portal, create an account, simply check out the eligibility and submit the application form, upload all the documents and submit the application form before 1st of the October. That's it. Now we'll show you the process. Simply scroll down. At the end you can see apply here button, so click on this apply here button. Once you click on that, you can see official eit.org website is here. This is the program website where you can apply for the funding. You can see eligibility criteria, selection criteria, everything is mentioned here. Now September 1st starts the application, and first deadline is 1st December 2025, but for the current session it is October, and you have to simply sign up. So click on this register your interest here. Now once you click on register your interest, it will open the page for the registration, as well as if you have already an account, you have to simply log in. So here you can see expression of interest in EIT graduate scholarships. So you have to fill in this form. You can see and mention the email. After that, the phone number and the country of residence, and the area of interest. You can see we'll go with the AI. Share your CV here. Let me upload the CV. And now click on upload. After that, privacy policy, accept the terms and conditions, click on submit. You can see we have done. Now we have completed this process. So we have to also fill in the university application form where our this will be done. So we have completed the EIT interest form. Let me again click on this. Here you can see apply for a place at Center of Doctoral Training CDT programs for AI. You can see discover the courses here. So every detail is here. So let's go to the program page here. You can see. Let's go for the advanced computer science. Here is how to apply. 8th of January is the deadline for this program. So we can click on continue application. We can click on login. Let's create an account. Last time there was an issue in this sign up process. I hope it is resolved. And just click on proceed. Please check the following mandatory fields. Password must be this. Username already in use. Okay. Let me get the temporary email so that we can just sign up for this process. Let me use this email. And now I agree to terms and conditions. Click on proceed. You can see still there is an error. Password must be at least 16 characters long. Let me recreate the password. Okay, let's try again. You can see the error is still there. This error has been since past 1 week. I am been facing this error. So I hope you are not facing it. Maybe there is some other issue on my side, but I have been facing it since last 1 week. I was trying to apply for the Chevening scholarship. At that time as well, I faced this issue. So if you are still facing the same issue on your side, please comment below so that we can collectively email them. And in the meantime, you can check out all the EIT programs. Let me also check out my email first. There's also the undergraduate scholarships. If you click on this and you scroll down here, you can see check eligibility. You can check eligibility. but the scholarships for undergraduate is right now closed. All the scholarships for graduate is only open right now. And let me show you this EIT PhD projects. Here you can read about them. Let me paste this link here. This is the undergraduate program page. So if you apply for the undergraduate programs, this type of page will be there. And if you click on the login, you will have the application portal here. You can see all applications. You can click on this, or you can click on my account. In my account, you can click on my applications. You can see, and you can click on application directly here. In progress applications, we have few in progress applications. So you can see this is the graduate scholarships. Earlier when I clicked on the link for the graduate here, let me show you again. When I clicked on this, the link has been changed in the background now. So earlier I was getting when I'll show you again. When I was clicking on this link here, register your interest, it was taking me to this page here. So I'll click on this edit application. You can add application as well. So you can see you have to read the terms and conditions here. So you can say internet search and click on save and next. So you have to fill in this type of application for the PG, and then personal details. After that, the education details, then research proposal, then research proposal 2, research proposal 3. These are optional, but just one research proposal. Then portfolio, then references, 3 references, then diversity and inclusion, and then declaration. So once you complete all this application, all the sections of the application, you can simply submit the application here. This is the graduate scholarships application, and in the declaration you can click on all the confirm here and click on submit. So once you complete all the sections of the application, you can easily submit this. And I'll be trying to let me go back to the home page. This is the graduate scholarships portal. You have to click on start application. I'll be giving this link here directly so that you can easily submit the application, because they have recently changed this. Earlier when I signed up, there was some other interface, and at the moment they are like having this Airtable form only. Here I'll be giving this link there. So when you click on this, it will take you directly to this application home page here. So I'll update in the backend, and I hope you have understood the process for today's scholarship. And if you have doubts, you can ask us in the comment section. In the meantime, you can just submit this complete this application form and submit it for the scholarship. So this is the graduate scholarships form, and you have to mention the program as well. And I hope you have now cleared all the confusion if you have still in this, because you'll be getting directly this page now when I'll be updating this link here. So when you click on this, you'll get this page here, so you can directly start the application. You don't need to go anywhere else. So that's it for today. I am signing off. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.